Okay, welcome back to the channel. We're continuing our series of discussions about a dual SIM phone that we found after going to Best Buy. This is our unboxing video, so enjoy watching as we discuss our process of unboxing. Also, just continuing to discuss the background on this. If you've seen the other videos, you know that we've had some issues trying to find a dual SIM phone that is available in the United States unlocked. We found one at the Best Buy after several tries of finding it and varying levels of success. We finally found one that we feel comfortable enough unboxing because Best Buy and some other retailers have a restocking fee that they charge you for opening the box. So basically, we've just taken this outer box off of the unit here. So now we're just opening up each part of the boxing. There's a box here that we have to open. There's some information in it. What do we got? We have quick start guide, various things shown in here. Got our USB-C to USB-C adapter cord. And what else do we got? We got the phone itself here, which is looking good. We've got our SIM extractor tool here they gave us. That's nice. Get that out. Because this will give us the actual moment of truth for this device. Because what we need to do is check the SIM port to determine if it is in fact a dual SIM. One of the reasons we went with this A13 Galaxy Samsung is that it is supposedly dual SIM, and we found that out if you saw the prior videos, which you can go back and check out. We found that out by looking and finally verifying that the model number is a /DS, which is our confirmation to this point that we have a dual SIM phone device. So now we're trying to get this plastic off. There's a tab here you pull it all the way off to get down to the device itself. Put that over there. Take our SIM tray extractor tool, find where the SIM card tray is here on the side. Put our tool in there, push. Pull the tray out. This is our moment of truth, folks. What do we got? It looks like we have a dual SIM. Let's grab a pointer. Looks like we have a dual SIM. We have a SIM tray 1, SIM tray 2, and our micro SD card slot. So it's a good sign. We'll have to get our SIM cards from our different devices, from my Motorola phone here, and also the other Samsung device that I've been using. Both of these devices have been in my pocket simultaneously for a while now, and I'm trying to get rid of the multiple devices in my pocket. And so this should be the way that we will get that to occur. So that's the unboxing. On the next go around, we are going to go through the SIM installation for our phone, which is one is an AT&T phone and the other is a Google Fi service. So we will try to use this um, quick start guide to get those inserted, and then we'll fire it up and see how things go with the phone startup, given the service providers that we have and whatnot. So hopefully that was helpful so far to give you a feel for how this device will work, having two SIM card slots. I've seen some reports that the US versions of these phones actually do not support dual SIM, but we will here shortly in the next video go through putting both SIMs in, and then we will determine whether the device will work with both service providers. So stay tuned, come back, and check in for the next installment. Thank you.